Let's get it. She asked me if I love her.
What's up, you guys? It's Ari. I'm back with another YouTube video for you guys. If you don't know who I am, welcome to my channel. If you do, welcome back. So today, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be doing my knotless box braids. I've thrown in a couple of sealing methods and a couple of little tutorials here and there inside the video. But one thing I am tight about is because I did not get like a full video of me braiding my braids all the way down to the end, but I hope you guys don't mind. I did show you guys how I do my knotless braids and I showed you guys my methods. So hopefully you like this video. Continue to watch it, and if you do like it, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe and watch all the way to the end. I forgot to tell you guys that I'm going to be using this hair again. I found that it was really easy to use. A lot of people were saying that it tangles up, but the last time I used it for my box braids, it was pretty good. So how much is it? It's like maybe, wait, $6.99. It's $6. So I really like this hair, and it comes in threes. So y'all already know how I feel. Like, so I really like this hair, and let's just get into it. Like, so as of now, I feel like I look so crusty. I look mad tall, but let me just do that. So I just woke up and I have 2 rows done. Hopefully y'all can see those. I mean, my parting is not the best, but I mean, it's still there, so don't play with me. I'm gonna show y'all my little setup right there. That's my little setup with all the hair and stuff. This is my second time filling that up, the rack. So it's mad work though. I think it takes about 15 minutes to fill up that rack alone. So I'm tired of it. I'm tired. I'm actually tired. Oh, this is making sound. Belly sexy, don't play with me, period. Alright, so I have another class at 11:40. So I'm going to try to get like a couple of braids done. Because 11:40 is in like 20 minutes. So we're going to try to do that. I don't know why my skin looks so bad on this camera. But my skin don't even look like this in real life. So they playing with you. So if you guys see the hair between my pointer finger and my thumb, that's a piece of hair that I added. And I just keep adding the hair and braid it all the way down until I get my desired length. At this point, I was trying to get my camera to focus, and I'm showing you guys how I twist knot my hair. This is how I seal the ends. So I take one strand of the 3-strand braid and I wrap it around my finger and just pull the end to make it tight so that it makes a little knot. Don't mind my ashy fingers. So here goes one of the mini tutorials. So I separate my real hair into 3 different strands. Like I'm about to braid it up regularly. And then after I do that, I put my middle finger under the middle strand. I need to stop dipping to go get hair. But then after I get the piece of hair, I need to move my big old fingers and show you guys that I am putting the piece of hair in between my pointer and my thumb. So then after I do that, I just keep adding in between my pointer and my thumb. You could put it over or under. I prefer over because it like hides your hair texture, which I have 4C hair, and it's easier for me to do that so that my hair won't get frizzy fast. And I keep repeating that step until I see that my braid is thick enough for me to just braid straight down. Okay guys, so I'm so sorry that I have not gotten any video footage of me just braiding my braids straight down and being consistent with my braiding process, but that just would have taken me too long, taking up too much footage on my camera. So I'm just giving y'all little mini tutorials, tips and tricks, how to finish your hair quickly, you know. These took me about 3 separate days. I did some people's hair in between. I believe I had 2 clients, you know, in between this process, so I was pretty okay with that. And you guys, I mean, this is the last braid. I was mad hype. I know that for a fact. And I was just ready to go to sleep at that time. So, yeah. So here I am showing off my unofficially but officially finished box braids. They are so small. Like looking at it from the top of my head, these are pretty small, and I'm like so glad that I did them this small, because to this day I think they are about a month and a half old, and I am still rocking these braids. So I'm just so happy. Girl, get out the camera like that. You're not cute. But yeah, So y'all already know the deal with dipping hair. You gotta have one towel on your back and one towel to wipe your hair off with. This is what I use to dip my hair. I like it because it's like almost a foot and a half long, so your braids could fit in them no matter how long. It's not a pot, nothing like that. So I'm glad. I really love this. It's like a soup container or whatever, but you know I still use dip here. So here I am pouring the water from the electric kettle into the keg, and I'm about to just dip my hair. I think this is self-explanatory. I mean, this hair gets a little like rough on the ends when you dip it. It feels like a natural texture, so that's one thing that I don't like about this hair, but I think I like it overall. Like while braiding, it's not too tangly, it's whatever, but when dipping it, it does get a little rough. So it looks like a natural texture as the days go by, but it's whatever. But yeah, as I said, this part is pretty self-explanatory. I'm dipping my hair and you guys can just watch. Only use 2 full packs of this and then one more little bundle of the hair. So this hair was pretty good. I filled up my little rack thing about 10-15 times, but it didn't take that long, like as I started knowing the amount of hair that I wanted to put in there. But it was pretty cool. This is my first time ever getting knotless braids and my first time doing them on myself, so it's like I just love the way they came out. They just came out so pretty and nice. I'm gonna insert some more pictures, but right now I'm gonna go do my edges and then come back on camera and then give y'all the full details. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna do a little 360 for you guys. I'm even gonna put the camera a little lower, which I hate doing because I be looking so bad, but I'm gonna do it for you guys. Okay, you guys, so I did my little 360. Okay, you guys, so I did my 360. Hopefully you guys are seeing my braids all throughout. Throughout the video, hopefully you catch all of the little tutorials, my little methods, how I perfect my braids. And make sure you comment, like, subscribe, follow all of my socials down below. And so hopefully I got a moment to get to. So you guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm so glad that they came out nice because I was kind of worried. Like I started getting up to the front and I was like, are you sure you want to do this? So just gonna show you guys my parts and stuff. And then further on in other videos, you guys are gonna see the progress of my braids and how they look still. You guys will see them probably in a side part. Comment down below what type of videos you guys want to see, like, you know, if you guys want to see me styling these braids. I don't usually style my braids, but I might do that because these are less tension on my head, and we're gonna figure this out. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I'm mad tired, so I'm about to go to sleep. It's like 3 a.m. so later.